Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve green triangle error in Excel. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on how to fix green triangle error in Excel using 5 fixes. One of the most common causes of green triangles is numbers stored as text. This can happen when data is imported from another source or when numbers are formatted incorrectly. Luckily, converting text to numbers is straightforward. To do so, select the Excel cells that you need to convert to the number format. Then, you'll see green triangle symbol near the selection. Click on a drop-down, select the option, Convert to Number. Now, you will be getting your text converted to the number. If those green triangles are becoming a regular part of your Excel life, you might want to tweak Excel settings so they're not so quick to appear. So, you can adjust the error checking options. Head over to the File tab, then click on Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Formulas from the list on the left. Under the Error Checking section, you'll see a list of rules Excel uses to identify errors. Uncheck the boxes for the errors you don't want to be flagged with a green triangle. Click OK to save your changes. This approach is particularly useful if you regularly work with data that Excel might misinterpret, like phone numbers or ID numbers stored as text. In protected sheets, unprotected formulas can also cause green triangles to appear. While protecting your formulas is a good practice for maintaining data integrity, Excel might flag unprotected formulas as potential errors. Select the cells containing formulas you want to protect. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Go to the Protection tab and check the locked box. Click OK. By ensuring your formulas are protected, you prevent accidental changes and eliminate those nagging green triangles. The Open and Repair is a built-in MS Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve this green triangle error. To run this tool, you have to go to the File Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve green triangle error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing green triangle error in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.